Hello guys, back sa Mobile Games. So today we're gonna playing, I don't know, so the tower. So anyways guys, what? If I'm sa Mobile Games, so subscribe right now. So that's okay. No, I look lacking. No, no, stop saying that. Only say the Philippines today. Stop. B.
Where are you?
I don't know. So anyways guys, I'm going to just play now. So that is the easy game.
Where are you? Are you even here? I'm playing Roblox.
I'm trying my best to beat it. Come on guys.
I just respond.
Okay, so anyways guys, we're going to play the game. Let's call that easy game. We're going to beat her something. We're going to beat her something else guys, right? So anyways guys. No! Okay. Oh my god, I'm about to not fall. Hey,
Okay, let's
girlhead. Where's girlhead? Okay, guys, do not fall. If I fall, I'm going to end.
Wait.
Okay, so I'm going to be careful. Okay, I'm not gonna lag. Bro, I'm lagging. I'm about to lag. Oh my god, stop lagging. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Bro, okay, I'm not gonna lag. I don't want to. I don't want to just. I want to just be I wanna be a pro guys, right? So otherwise guys, we're going to just beat that game.
I can't go.
Okay, so otherwise.
Sabi na?
Okay, so otherwise guys, we're going to play the game. So don't say that. Don't say the word. Don't say the Philippines word, guys. Oh my god. No, I can't. I look like I'm not jumping. I look like I'm not jumping. I'm not jumping. Oh my god. Do not fall, guys. I said do not fall. So otherwise guys, this one is hard. So I'm going to just jump, but I don't know.
I'm in
Hey
the
you.
bedroom.
Hey. Oh my god, guys, this is so hard. This one's hard. Just me and you. Lady. Oh my god, guys. Okay, I'm about to die. Oh my god, guys. Okay. Okay, so I'm not going to this dragon. But anyways, we're going to play the game. Let's go to the easy game. We're going to just playing the game. So anyways, start. I'll start. Okay. What the heck? Why? Oh my goodness. Oh, ay. Oh my god, guys, I'm about to lag, guys. Why I'm lagging? Okay, so let me just end this. Okay. What the heck? Start starting my nerves again. Oh yeah, okay. Bro, not fair, cheating. Next game. Oh my god. I think it's hard, guys. So I'm going to go there. I'm going to go there or something. Don't make it noise. And scream like a girl or just boy, I guess. So, alright, we're going to play the game. So we're going to play the male, I guess. We're going to play the tower. Use the tower. Use the tower, guys. Oh my god, stop lagging. Bro. Bro. Hey. How? Come on, guys. How? Oh my god. Dude. Stop lagging. Oh my god, it's so hard.
I need a crowbar.
Hard, guys. Oh my god. Don't say that. This game's hard, so go back.